Hello and welcome to AG Technologies USA LLC. We are an award-winning software company. In this video, we will talk about Complete Ecommerce Solution, a revolutionary solution which will help to grow your business. Starting a business is easy, but making it a success is difficult. In fact, 90% of startups fail. If you want to be in the remaining 10%, you should know how to grow a business. There are plenty of growth strategies you can adopt to grow your company and expand your business. So, we have designed a solution which will help to grow your e-commerce business or online store. As your business growth is our success. Let's take a brief look, what all the things you will get in the Complete Ecommerce Solution. Number 1. You will get a custom e-commerce website, or an online store. Plus, an Android mobile application. Plus, an iOS mobile application. Plus you will get digital marketing. Number 2. You will get a free domain, hosting, maintenance for complete 1 year, and 24/7 support. Number 3. A 20 pages website, 30 gigabytes of space, and 10 business email addresses. Number 4. You will get advanced SEO, a complete search engine optimization for your e-commerce website, products listings and mobile apps. Number 5. Social media management, and business listings. Your business listing, on Google My Business, Google Maps, a LinkedIn page, a business page on Facebook, Twitter, a YouTube channel, a core profile, Instagram, Pinterest, Google+. Other business listings like Craigslist, OLX, eBay Classifieds, Clutch, Crunchbase, Yelp, Manta, Angel, and the other top 30 classified sites. Number 6. 3 blog posts every month, related to your products, industry and business. Guest blog postings to the other relevant blogs and backlinks, which will help to generate traffic to your e-commerce store. Number 7. A YouTube channel for your business. A free business or products introduction video like this. 3 free videos for your business product or service. Number 8. Advanced SEO, search engine optimization of your YouTube channel, including valuable content creation, keyword research, attention-grabbing video thumbnail, and relevant hashtags. Number 9. Fully responsive static or dynamic web design with smooth interface for mobile, tablets, laptop, PC and for all the other devices. A search engine-friendly website. Free needful and helpful plugins, and a site hit counter. Number 10. We will help to turn your website into a lead-generating machine. Ultimate user experience to optimize and improve the speed, performance, and conversion rates of your website. It will help to improve your website's SEO ranking. Finally, you will get excellent services and complete peace of mind guarantee. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel. For more information, visit our website, www.agtechnologiesusa.com. Thanks for watching.